Alright, I'm just going to be doing a little bike check on my Funday Pro, the bonus edition bike. Alright, so Aaron Ross signature tires, Odyssey front and back rims, including both hubs, Sunday handlebars, Odyssey brake lever, Aaron Ross signature grips, Funday Pro vapor flip frame, Odyssey cranks, Odyssey sprocket, and Odyssey twisted PC pedals, pivotal seat post and seat. Front tire is 2.35 inches wide, and back is 2.1 inches wide. Yeah, it's a real nice bike. I like it. Just got it yesterday. So, yeah. So please comment, rate, and subscribe. It really helps us out a lot. And thank you.